Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the One Belmont building. Now this is one of the nicest buildings I've seen in Kingston. Very modern looking. It's located in New Kingston. It's actually going to be right across the road from where the Ascent is going to be built. So this side of Kingston is going to have some very tall buildings. The Ascent will be the tallest building in Jamaica for a while, but this is a very nice building. It's 9 floors, but it's a lot taller than the average 9-floor building. And it should be finished sometime this year. The last completion date was September, but it's not finished yet. However, it should be finished this year, but this building is fully booked out. It's leased out. Every floor, every office space is booked out. Now, the first 4 floors is going to be parking. And then the top 5 floors is going to be... No, wait. Yeah, the other floors are going to be the office space. All right, so we're just going to give you some background on this building. One Belmont unites design, technology, and wellness to deliver a modern architectural masterpiece. Beyond being a place to work, the New Kingston-based One Belmont, with its striking design and technological advancements, dramatically upends the standard commercial office space experience. With the completion of One Belmont, Cygnus Real Estate Finance positions itself as an innovative player in the region, with a keen eye for creating opportunities and nurturing partnerships aimed at varying real estate development in a new prestigious direction. While some may question the future of the office in post-pandemic life, Cygnus Real Estate Finance has reimagined the corporate space with One Belmont, delivering a space that will continue to thrive even in the aftermath of a crisis. This high-performance building is designed to enhance the well-being of those who occupy it, focusing deeply on unifying teams in a safe and healthy way. One Belmont will be the first of its kind in Kingston to offer a seamless experience from your car to your office, one that will limit exposure and adhere to the new hygiene standards. Forward-looking infrared thermal camera systems scan personnel temperatures at the building at entry points. Proximity sensors offer touchless building entry, elevators offer touchless controls, and bathrooms have been fitted with Kohler touchless technologies. Indoor air quality is another critical component of human health, wellness, and comfort. Alright, so that's just some history on the development. Now, the company that did this, Cygnus Real Estate Finance, they actually have plans to do other developments. They're doing one in Miami Bay. They're going to do one on Lady Musgrave Road. And I don't have the list in front of me, but they have other projects that they're doing. So we will keep you guys updated on this building and all the other developments that they're doing. Now, with this view, on the left is the NCB Tower. And if you look straight ahead towards the One Belmont and the ocean, that is where the Ascent is going to be. And the Ascent is going to be 27 floors, 3 times the height of this building. 27 floors. So we'll keep you guys updated on that project. Now, the last time we did an update on the Ascent, we were told that the Ascent was waiting. They were waiting on the one Belmont to finish, and then things would really get going with the Ascent. So I don't know if it's the same contractor, the same, I'm not sure, but for some reason this building and that one probably use the same contractor, something like that, but they're linked somehow. All right, guys, we'll keep you guys updated. Enjoy the rest of the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want us to make a video of any building, any road, anything, construction sites, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. All right, guys, have a good day.